back to my channel. Just here for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a long-awaited self-care pamper routine. I've been holding off on doing basic things that I would do to just make myself feel better to film this video for you guys so that I can show you guys exactly what I do and make it count. I'm going to be walking you guys through my pamper routine. It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple. These are just things that I normally do when I need some peace back into my mind, my soul, my body. I hope you guys are in for the ride and want to come pamper yourselves with me. What I usually do is grab a small bowl like this one and just put some olive oil into this bowl and put it in the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds, and that works as the base for the hair mask that I'm going to be applying to my hair today. Honestly, I just freaking thought about this. Olive oil that you use for cooking, is that the same thing that they use for olive oil hair masks? So I fill it up halfway and then I pop it into the microwave for 60 seconds, let it heat up. It is very hot when you take it out of the microwave, so be very careful if you do end up trying this. For today, because I do want some extra hydration for my hair, I'm going to be adding my Aussie 3-minute moist deep conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. I'm going to be adding some of this into the hot olive oil that I already have right here. I'm going to be focusing this on the ends of my hair, but putting this basically everywhere. PSA, use a shirt that you don't care about or is dirty and you're going to wash very soon. I'm going to speed through this just so I don't bore you guys. The hair mask on my hair for about 30 to 40 minutes while I do some other steps in my pamper routine. So I zoomed you guys in because the next step is shaving my face. I use an eyebrow razor. I do this once every 2 to 3 weeks. Don't do this pretty often. I wait till my hair gets pretty, noticeable and then do it again. I always make sure to grab a new razor every single time I do this, just for hygienic purposes. I go in a downward motion. This is just what works for me. You can literally see it just come off. Ah! Look at all that, guys. All of that was on my skin. So after shaving my face, my skin feels a lot smoother. I feel like my skincare absorbs into my skin better. I know a lot of people have mixed feelings about shaving your face, but personally, it works for me. Do it at your own risk and be very careful if you're gonna try it out and you've never done it before. I've been doing this for years. I like it. I went to Lush, and this brings me into the third step of my pamper routine, which is masking my face. I use the Lush mask of Magaminty. This is a face and body mask. I personally use it on my face about once to twice a week. After shaving my face, I cleanse my skin with my face wash so that it's ready for applying the mask. I usually just dig into it and apply it. Ooh, oh my god. It feels so good right now. Oh my god, I am about to cry. This feels so nice and cooling on the skin. I'm really trying to relax, but everybody around me on the street, in this building, my neighbors blasting music, people on the street want to be race car drivers all of a sudden. I cannot. Once a week, I evenly apply it all over my face, but if I want to mask again throughout the week, I just put it on the problem areas. So a pamper routine definitely focuses on the outer part of the body, the physical appearance. And yes, it's important to feel good on the outside, but it's even more important to feel good on the inside. So during my pamper routines, I do set a good time to either clean my space, my room. I just cleaned my room yesterday, so it's a good environment to be in. I take this time to grab my journal and just write. Anytime I'm feeling overwhelmed, anytime I'm feeling anxious, angry, sad, any negative feeling, write out what I'm feeling and then rip it apart and just throw it away, as if you're throwing away those feelings and emotions and just lifting that weight off your shoulder. It's a form of therapy for me. I know a lot of people that do this. My mom does this. She taught me how to do this, and then my therapist just gave me that extra, like, yes, it works, do it. So I usually do that or plan out some things for the week. I'm going to do some planning for an upcoming video that I have in mind. So with that being said, I'm going to get to writing, but before I do, always turn on some music on my phone. Music is definitely the most inexpensive, effective form of therapy in my world, and I love it. So let's continue. Time for me to go wash out this hair. It does take me shampooing twice to fully get the mask off. In the shower, I take my next step in this pamper routine and shave and exfoliate. I usually start by dry brushing my skin. I use the body brush that I use while it's dry before using it in the shower. I dry brush my skin one time. It's a good thing to do to get your blood flowing, you know, even out that circulation and just remove any dead skin cells. It's a good way to exfoliate without applying anything on your body. After that, I do exfoliate in the shower. Right now, I'm currently using St. Ives scrubs to exfoliate the skin. I know people use it on their face, but I personally do not. I just use it on my body. I exfoliate before I shave just so that it helps with the prevention of razor bumps or any sort of irritation. I know people take you into the shower and just show you everything, but it's a little weird for me, so we're gonna hop into the shower and be right back. Alright y'all, I'm out of the shower. My skin is super duper smooth from my face all throughout my body. Exfoliating, shaving, and then moisturizing the skin fresh out the shower. Even better if your skin is still a little bit wet so that it absorbs the moisture better. Just leaves my skin feeling silky smooth. We did a hair mask, we did a face mask, we shaved the face, we shaved the body, exfoliated, moisturized, focused on my mental health as well. I just feel a lot better about myself. My mind feels a lot better as well. So that is the whole purpose of why I do these sort of things. Pamper myself, take care of myself, to ultimately feel better on the inside and on the outside as well, and that's definitely how I feel right now. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below what you do in your pamper routine. Give me some tips and tricks that you might feel like I need to incorporate in my pamper routine. If you are not subscribed and would like to join me on my journey, be sure to click that red button down below and subscribe to my channel. Join the little family here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.